Okay, so here's another example. This is a continuation of the previous video natin about functions. Okay, so some functions, may mga functions tayo na walang parameter. Ganito, a function with no parameter. So wala siyang argument or parameter. So pwede yung ganyan. Ang ginagawa lang ng function na to is, yan, magdi-display lang siya ng ito, decoration. So, tinawag natin siyang decorate. Ayan. So, def decorate. Ayan. So, we have here the function call. Tatawagin niya yung or i-activate niya yung function decorate. Ayan. Activate niya yung decorate. And then, we have here the print. Ayan. So, dinisplay niya yun. And then, print welcome. So, dinisplay niya to. And then, we have decorate. Ayan. So, pupunta ulit siya dito. Decorate. Ang gagawin niya, i-print niya yung text na yan. So, lumabas ito. Ayan. So, yun yung function na walang parameter. Kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi tayo naglagay ng parameter at ano pang ginawa natin dito, hindi rin tayo naglagay ng return statement. Hindi kagaya dito na mayroon tayong return statement, no? Naglagay tayo dito ng return statement kasi gusto natin na ibalik yung result ng computation natin na yan, no? Kaya ginawa natin ng return ans para ibalik niya dito yung result. Dito wala naman tayong kailangan ibalik na result. Ang gagawin lang niya, magpo-print lang naman, kaya hindi na natin linagyan ng return, okay? And then we have here another example. Here's an example of a function with multiple parameters for finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Ayan. So for example, hanapin natin yung volume ng rectangular prism. Gumawa tayo ng function. Linagay natin na pangalan niya ay prism. You can name it whatever you want, no? So in this example, pinangalanan lang natin na prism. Okay? And then it accepts 3 inputs or 3 parameters or arguments. We have L, W, and H, which is ito yung length, width, and height. Pwede rin na instead of LWH, pwede nyong i-spell out na length, width, height kung gusto niyo. Ayan. Okay? And then, yung body ng function natin is V is equal to L times W times H and then return V. Ayan. So, yun yung ating function definition. Remember na hindi yan gagawin ng computer unless meron tayong function call. Okay? So, we have here print the volume of a rectangular prism. So, lumabas yun. Dinisplay niya. And then, print prism. So, we have here a function call. So, i-call niya ngayon yung definition natin dito. And, ang mangyayari dyan, we have here the 9, ipapasa niya kay L. 7, ipapasa niya kay W. Yung 13, ipapasa niya kay H. Therefore, we have L is equal to 9, W is equal to 7, and H is equal to 13. Okay? And then, yung mga numbers natin na yon, mga input natin or arguments natin na yon, we have 9 times 7 times 13. And that is 819. Now, we have V is equal to 819. And then, return V. So, ibig sabihin, i-return niya ngayon kung ano man yung value ni V. Ano ba yung value ni V? That is 819. So, ibibigay niya ngayon dito yung 819. Therefore, itong prism 9713 is equal to 819. Okay? So, 819 na siya. 819 cubic unit. So, yun. Dinisplay niya 819 cubic unit. Ayun. Okay. So, yun yung with multiple parameters. Let's have another example, no, para mas makita pa natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng function doon sa pagdating sa math, no, di ba ito yung kwan natin? Yan yung function natin. F of x is equal to x cubed. For example, ito. Paano natin gagawin ito na Python code? Okay, so i-define natin itong function na to doon sa Python code natin. So we have here def f of x, y is equal to x cubed. Ayan, so return y. So ito yung definition ngayon ng ating function. Okay, so let's try this in our Python code. Okay, so ito, we have here def definition. We define a function f of x na ang f of x natin is equal to x cubed. So ito siya, x cubed. We have here the x cubed, and then yung x cubed na yun, linagay natin sa y, and then yun yung i-return niya doon sa function call natin. Okay, so let's try. We have, say for example, print f of 9. Let's see. So, pag plinay natin siya, ayun. So, we have 729. Ayan. So, we have 729 doon sa result natin. Yun yung lumabas. Okay, so yun. F of 9. Pwede rin na kung gusto nating diretso na i-return na niya yung sagot, hindi na natin ipapasa sa variable, pwede rin yun. So, instead of y is equal to x cube, pwede na ilagay na natin dito mismo yung x cube. Ayan. Pwedeng diretso na yan. So, i-return niya kung ano man yung x cube. So, pwede rin yung ganyan. So, if we play this, tignan natin yung result. Ayun, so the same lang. Okay? Hindi lang natin siya pinasa sa variable y. Ayan, so that is the function. Okay? Let's go back to our lesson. Okay, so functions as objects. Ayan. So, yung functions can be used as objects. Okay? Functions are entities that can be assigned to variables. Thus, we can give another name to an existing function by assigning it to a variable. Okay, so dito sa following, ayan, dito sa example na to, parang yung nasa previous example lang din. Pero, for example, itong cube n na yan, no, pinalitan lang natin yung pangalan niya. So, we renamed this as show cube. Show cube is equal to cube. Okay, so instead of using itong cube na pangalan ng function natin, ginamit natin yung show cube. Okay, ayan. So, parang nirename lang natin siya as a, parang variable na din siya. Okay, nirename lang natin siya. Let's take a look at another example para makita natin kung paano nagiging object. So, yung mga functions natin, we can put them in some expressions. Okay, so pwede natin siyang i-embed sa mga expressions. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so dito sa example na to, in-embed natin yung function natin sa isang expression. So we have here f of 2 at kung ano man yung magiging result nitong f of 2 na to, i-add niya sa 10. Okay, so tignan natin yung result. Okay, so ayan, so we have 18. Lumabas is 18. If we try to simulate the code, so we have here g is equal to f of 2. Ano ba yung f of 2 natin? So we have 2 will be passed to x. And then, which is, x is equal to 2 na siya. So, we have return 2 cube. So, ang 2 cube is 8. So, we have 8. So, i-return niya yung 8 dito. So, we have 8 plus 10. That is 18. So, g is equal to 18. And then, i-print niya yung g, which is 18. So, lumabas doon na result ay 18. So, yun yung pwede natin gawin sa function. No? We can use them as parang kumbaga operands, no? Or variables, no? That contains values. As long as, of course, meron dapat siyang return para meron siyang i-return dito na result. Okay? Ayan. So, yung may return siya na result, inad natin yung 10. So, we can do that in our functions because this is now considered as an object doon sa expression natin. Okay? So, we will continue the discussion of functions on our next video.